Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw Tinkerbell by Peter Pan while we learn Spanish. Let's go with the face. Face in Spanish is CARA. We draw the hair. Hair in Spanish is PELO. We draw his small hand. Hand in Spanish is MANO. We draw the arm. Arm in Spanish is BRAZO. What a beautiful dress! Let's go with his legs. Legs in Spanish is PIERNAS. We draw its wings. That in Spanish is said, alas. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say dress in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is AMARILLO. We use this color for skin. Skin in Spanish is said PIEL. Now let's go with the green color. Green in Spanish is VERDE. Now we use light blue, which in Spanish is AZUL CLARO. Let's see if you know the answer. Dress in Spanish is VESTIDO. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.